Mabuhay, this is Alexi from Davao City. This was my hectic schedules to this entire day of November 5, 2023. Actually, I woke up late in the morning today at 7. Then I was in a hurry to take a bath. I was done for almost an hour. Then 8 o'clock in the morning, I took my breakfast. Then after 30 minutes, I changed my outfit. Then I proceeded to our church to attend the Sunday school class. And it was ended at 9:30 in the morning. Then at 10 o'clock, I also attended to our worship up to 12 noon. Then we have a great lunch fellowship together with my fellow members in the church. Then at 1 o'clock, I also attended to our monthly meeting. It was done at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Then after that, I proceeded to the hospital because I visited to my relatives who is very close to me, who is confined in the hospital. Then at 5:10 or 5:20 in the afternoon, I went back home for another schedules. Thank you. Thank you for, I thank God for this entire day. Thank you everyone for always watching and following me. Have a great night everyone.